Hello, welcome to Python code series. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the output of this piece of Python code. So in this code, we can see there are three variables, A, B, and C. To the variable A and B, I have assigned the complex values. So 2 plus 5j is the complex data type, and also the B is also a complex data type. And C computes the product of these two A and B variable. So C equals to 2 plus 5j into 4 plus 4j. So using mathematical technique, you can this come out to be minus 12 plus 28j. So value of C is computed to be minus 12 plus 28j. So the next, this is my print statement in Python. So the output, so this statement will print the output of this, the value of C. So value of C is minus 12 plus 28j. So this is my output for this piece of code. So thanks for watching.